Hello traders, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast video blog series. Today is 11th of February. I'm Helge and we are looking today on the Gilead Sciences stock. It is biopharmaceutical company which is behind of this GILD ticker, and the company presented on the Nasdaq, which is traded on the Nasdaq, has also lots of follows on stock tweets. High attention, 76,000 currently. Last week we gained 3,000 more, basically of higher volumes of selling, and we have broken one important low. Therefore, here we got even more attention. Now, what is the company? The company is based in the US, in California, and it focuses on researching and developing antiviral drugs used in the treatment of HIV, AIDS, hepatitis B, C, influenza, COVID-19. Their drugs are Ledipasvir and Sofosbuvir are presented, and the company has got approval for these two drugs, among others, the two drugs called Viread and Hepcera. It began evolving from a biotechnology company into a pharmaceutical company, acquiring several subsidiaries, though it still relied heavily on contracting to manufacture its drugs. It is part of Nasdaq 100 and S&P 100 and also S&P 500 indices. One can trade it on Nasdaq. So this is the idea behind. There's high potential of this company, also high attraction and high liquidity because it is part of this 100 Nasdaq 100 S&P indices. Let's dig now into the chart, see the structure. Here in weekly we have, or even in monthly, from IPO back in 1992, we got initial cycle in wave 1 in blue. This wave 1 in blue has ended back in October. Within it we see wave 3, which is extended one. When we look now on the wave 1 and wave 2, wave 3 passed far beyond 1618. It has reached more than 2.0 extension of wave 1, which is typical for an impulse. Then pullback in wave 4 has ended, and then final push high in wave 5 has made here a high on October. Now from the highs we got a pullback as an expanded flat structure or irregular flat structure, which is a 3 then another 3 has made a new all-time high back in June, and from this all-time highs it looks like 5 waves lower, 1 2 3, then triangle in wave 4 and wave 5. It is a preferred view that we have ended here the entire correction back on December 2020. When we look here on the RSI, we can use the channel, and the preferred view is that from the highs we have ended the correction, we have broken higher the cycle. Now it might be done, and while above 56 when the next extension higher is a wave 3 in blue. Now if wave 3 in blue is in progress, then using 1 2 next extension high is full 100%, so therefore while above 56 target high is 173, 100% extension, or even 245. We know that waves 3 can go past 1618, like it was the case here with wave 3 in red. Now this would be typical extension, 173 to 245. We can also make higher targets here, 2.02618. These targets are 290 and then 361, but for now we're targeting 173 to 145 while above 56. In shorter cycles we see here from the lows 1 2 3 and 4 is taking place. We can also make more bullish case where it is 1 2 in red, then we have down there another nest 1 2 in black, and from here it can start wave 3 of 3. So this would be more bullish case where we will have acceleration higher already, but with a more conservative we are looking for more extension, but as a wave 5. Wave 5 shouldn't go that high, but we understand that either it will become wave 3 or it will become wave 5. Now the pullback here in wave 4, which is shown in daily charts, is taking place from the lows we had first of all from June 2022 impulse in a wave 3. We see here very nice extension higher in wave 3 in blue. It went also past 1618, which is typical characteristics of wave 3, and now we see wave 4 in progress, or alternatively, instead of wave 4, we're in a wave 2 in black. In either case, we have next buying opportunity based on the bearish sequence. We have a bearish sequence from the highest. We got here W in 3 swings. It looks like when we look on RSI, we have here, when we look on shorter time frame, we have even erased divergence here. Either these are 5 waves or these are 3 waves. Now the bounce has failed in 3, and now we have broken the lows. When we check here, this value here, the low is 73.16 and this low is 72.81, which means we have a lower low, and based on the W and X, we have now wave Y in progress, bearish sequence. It should reach 71.04, 60.62. Now traders and also investors should be looking to buy this area against the low, so with a stop below 60.62, targeting for at least another leg higher as a wave 5. More conservative way is wave 5, more aggressive is wave 3. If this is wave 5, then we use the length of wave 4, and the minimum target would be 94.13, 101.27. It can also go past this value. However, if we will erase the divergence as related to this RSI reading, we need to put here this line and watch it. If we will go above this value in RSI, then it is not a wave 5, it is a wave 3 or 3. Then this alternative view will be happening, and then instead of trading into wave 5, we can obtain wave 3, and then the targets will be 103.86, 124.15, and even beyond. However, if it is a wave 5, then target high is 94.13, 101.27. If it is a wave 5, then pullback in wave 2 should find support against the lows of 2020 later on for acceleration higher. So therefore, either acceleration high will happen towards the end of the year or even beginning of the next year, or it will be happening already very soon in wave 3 in black or 3 in red. So therefore, both cases are possible. Next thing to do is to buy 71.04, 60.62, and once reaction will be happening, one should take partial profit, ideally at 50%. We advise to take partial profit at 79.30 if it will react exactly from 70.70, and then move a stop for the remaining position below this value. On the other hand, if it will rally higher, you can just simply move your stop to the entry and see what happens. So either wave 5 will go higher and will find top as a wave 1, then pullback in wave 2 in the worst case will stop you out at the entry, or it will become wave 3 or 3 and you will be in a winning position with a whole position without even taking profit, just moving a stop to not to lose. So this is the idea behind this stock. Very nice structure and clear buying area where traders should be waiting to enter the market. You can read again about this stock on our homepage here under video blog section. Here we have monthly, also daily chart, and you can scroll through our other video blogs, our free resources. We have Elliott Wave Theory ebooks, we have educational packages. Also, you can check our plans and pricing, and you can try our service 14 days trial for only $10, one of 3 groups for new clients. And if you like our services, you can stay with us. We will be pleased to welcome you as a new member. Thank you all for watching. Take care, bye, and I will see you all next time.